Chapter 15 Kinetics of Particles. Second, Work Energy Principle. Introduction. Work energy principle is advantageous over Newton's second law when the problem involves force, velocity and displacement rather than acceleration. Also, when spring force is involved, one should prefer work energy principle. Work done by a force particle is subjected to a force F and particle is displaced by S from position 1 to position 2. Work done U is the product of force and displacement. Work done is equal to force multiplied by displacement. U is equal to F into S. Particle is subjected to a force F at an angle theta with horizontal and the particle is displaced by S from position 1 to position 2. Work done U is the product of force component in the direction of displacement and displacement. Work done is equal to force component in the direction of displacement multiplied by displacement. U is equal to F cos theta multiplied by S. Important points about work done. Work done by a force is positive if the direction of force and the direction of displacement both are in same direction. Work done by a force is negative if the direction of force and the direction of displacement both are in opposite direction. Work done by a force is zero if either the displacement is zero or the force acts normal to the displacement. Example, gravity force does not work when body moves horizontally. Work is a scalar quantity. Unit of work is Newton meter or joule. Work done by weight force. Particle of mass m is displaced from position 1 to position 2. Work done is equals to component of weight in the direction of displacement multiplied by displacement. U is equals to mg sin theta into s. Work done is also given by weight force multiplied by displacement in the direction of weight force. U is equals to mg multiplied by s sin theta. Work done by frictional force. Particle of mass m moves from position 1 to position 2. Work done is equals to minus of frictional force multiplied by displacement. U is equals to minus mu n multiplied by s. Note: work done by friction force is negative because direction of frictional force and displacement are opposite. Work done by normal reaction and component of weight perpendicular to inclined plane is zero. Work done by spring force. Consider a spring force of stiffness K, an undeformed free original length. Let x1 be the deformation of spring at position 1. Let x2 be the deformation of spring at position 2. Therefore, spring force is equals to minus kx, where k is the spring stiffness and x is the deformation of spring in meter. Negative sign indicate direction of spring force act towards original position, that is towards left. Work done is equals to spring force multiplied by deformation. U is equals to integration between the limits x1 to x2 minus kx dx. U is equals to minus 1 by 2 k ब्रैकेट में x2 स्क्वायर माइनस x1 स्क्वायर. U is equals to 1 by 2 multiplied by k multiplied by x1 square minus x2 square. Work done can also be calculated by this way. Here spring force is positive but work done is negative because direction of spring force and displacement are opposite. Work energy principle. Work done by the forces acting on a particle during some displacement is equal to the change in kinetic energy during that displacement. Particle having mass m is acted upon by a force F and moving along a path which can be rectilinear or curvilinear. Let v1 be the velocity of the particle at position 1 and position 2 and the corresponding displacement s1 and s2 respectively. Fn component will not do work because Fn is perpendicular to ds. By Newton's second law, we have summation of forces in tangential direction is equals to mat. F cos theta is equals to mat is equals to m dv by dt. F cos theta is equals to m dv by ds multiplied by ds by dt. F cos theta is equal to mv multiplied by dv by ds. Integrating both sides, we have integration between the limits s1 to s2. F cos theta ds is equals to integration between the limits v1 to v2 mv dv. u2 to 1 is equals to half mv2 square minus half mv1 square. Work done is equals to change in kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of a particle. It is the energy possessed by a particle by virtue of its motion. If a particle of mass m is moving with the velocity v, its kinetic energy is given by half mv square. Unit of kinetic energy is Newton meter or joule. Potential energy of a particle. It is the energy possessed by a particle by virtue of its position. If a particle of mass m is moving from position 1 to position 2, then work done is equals to weight force multiplied by displacement. U is equals to mgh. Unit of potential energy is Newton meter or joule. Potential energy decreases when work done is positive. Potential energy increases when work done is negative. Note: work done by weight force will be negative if moved from lower position to upper position. Conservative forces: if the work of a force is moving a particle between two positions is independent of the path followed by the particle and can be expressed as a change in its potential energy. Example: weight force of particle, gravity force, spring force and elastic force. Non-conservative forces: the forces in which the work is dependent upon the path followed by the particle. Example: frictional force, viscous force. Friction force is tangent to the surface and it is changing its direction along the path. In inclined, it is different. Principle of conservation of energy: when a particle is moving from position 1 to position 2 under the action of only conservative forces, that is frictional force, does not exist, then by energy conservation principle total energy remains constant. Total energy is equals to kinetic energy plus potential energy plus strain energy of spring. Total energy is equals to half mv square plus minus mgh plus half kx square. Power: it is defined as the rate of doing work. Power is equals to work by time. Power is equals to force into displacement divided by time. Power is equals to force multiplied by velocity. Unit of power is joule per second or watt. 1 watt is equals to 1 joule per second is equals to 1 Newton meter per second. 1 metric horsepower is equals to 735.5 watt. Efficiency is given by output work divided by input work. It is also given by power output divided by power input. Note: if bob is released from rest at position A1, determine the velocity of the pendulum bob at A2 using work and kinetic energy. Work done is given by final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Initially velocity is 0, so work done is equals to half w by g v2 square minus 0. v2 is equals to square root 2gl. Conservative system: when sum of process 1 to 2 and 2 to 1 is 0, then the system is said to be in conservation. u1 to 2 is given by minus w into delta y. u2 to 1 is given by w delta y. u1 to 2 plus u2 to 1 is equals to 0. Therefore this system is in conservation.